Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So I am at Destination Outdoor still, and I spotted this beautiful 2021 Toyota Tacoma here. Obviously in cement gray and done up very, very nicely. So I'm gonna just walk around, show you the wave tops here and all of the major upgrades throughout it. First glance, the obvious ones, just looking at it, of course, are the Dobinson's snorkel here, the Prinsu roof rack. So he just has a Harbor Freight case up there. And I tell you what, when you look at it, you would never notice the difference between that and a Rome case or an expensive 10 times the price case, right? So it's pretty cool to see folks getting a little creative with that, as I would totally do that too. Baja Designs fog lamps, Baja Designs light bar. Of course, it being a 21, you still get the Toyota safety sense up front with the adaptive cruise control. These are some Stealth custom wheels wrapped with some Nitto Ridge grapplers. The size is 305 70 17s. So definitely sleek, and you guys know how I feel about Nitto Ridge grapplers. I think they are the best, with KO2's secondary, right? King suspension kit, 3-inch all around, 3 inches all around, and SPC upper control arms. So definitely a sleek setup here. I'll try to show you underneath here. So chop the bumper, cut it right here just a little bit, not a huge cut, but enough to allow clearance with these large tires that ultimately equate to just about 34.5 inches roughly, right? ARB Touring awning here. I believe Baja Designs light bar across there. Looks like a 42-inch, 40-inch there. This is a best top bed cover back here, soft top, which is pretty sweet. Same one apparently that Jeep offers for theirs. I'll show you the brand there of best top. So pretty sleek. As for the sliders, he actually had one of his buddies do a custom fabrication of it, which turned out pretty good. He got some grip tape on it, of course, making it a little bit functional as a step, but definitely a sleek setup. And these wheels, tell you what, those are awesome. And there's your suspension out back. He does have bump stops back here as well. So I'm trying to stay out of the road a little bit. Hey, what taillights are these? Do you remember? No, no worries. No, they look good though. Definitely a big improvement over stock, that's for sure.
Yeah, they're sequential too, so they pop up.
Nice, sequential lights. Awesome. Well, thank you. Also, I mean, there you have it, guys. Definitely a sleek rig. Tell me what your thoughts are. I appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.